Okay, here we are, thinking out loud. These are some potatoes that I have cut up. Now, if you all are not familiar with this hot fryer, air cooker, I just got turned on to it. And I'm loving it, and I'm loving the way that it makes French fries. Get a little more light going here. Now, I have seasoned these potatoes with some chopped finely garlic, just a little olive oil, and some paprika, some Italian seasoning, a little celery seed, a little black pepper, and a little kosher salt. I'm just gonna mix it all up where everything can come together. And these things come out so good. And yeah, loving it. Well, they are in the pot, and I'm fixing to turn it on 27 minutes at 390 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, our time is drawing near. Now you do have to open it up and kind of give it a good shake. Stir them and make them go around, get evenly cooked. But other than that, it's just letting the hot air do its thing. And they are finished. And trust me, they are delicious. Well, if you don't have one of these cookers, hot air cookers, go and get one. You'll be very pleased. And you can also do a lot of other things with it, cook a whole lot of other things. But I have fell in love with the French fries and the zucchini. So, yeah, this is it. Listen to enjoy.